Hello guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Ultimate Love NG. For those following the Ultimate Love reality TV show, this is a recap of day 13 and 14. So, is Rosie Kachi's property? There was an argument between Rosie and Kachi yesterday. A mild argument ensued between Rosie and Kachi about if she is his property. Rosie, who will not take just anything, asked Kachi the obvious question, "Am I your property?" When the guy was asked for more private time with his babe, Kachi did not stop telling Rosie what was paramount on the scale of preference. "I want more time with you." The reply he got from Rosie was, "They need to wash your head with soap and detergent. Do you know they say soapy because of you? Do you know they sang soapy because of you?" But my question is Rosie Kachi's property? The argument just ended like that. So something else that happened again in the Ultimate Love reality show. Cherry had a little fight with Michael and David. Can someone please help tell Cherry to wise up? What is the color of your problem? If you know the dance step better than David, then take over the stage. The guy is doing a great job for the first time on the show. Please let him do it. Here was what happened. Cherry corrected David about one of the bata dance steps, and she walked out of the rehearsal because her point was not accepted. Not only by David, but by the whole house. What is that? Your guy Michael even tried to download sense into you. You still made him walk out on you because you're stubborn. Michael told her, "You're picking on little things. This is not a competition." When Michael told her when Michael told her this was the same thing Bolanle did yesterday, she started a fresh argument. "Are you now comparing me with Bolanle? Like seriously?" God save you that you did not mess up when you and Michael did your own showcase. Still on the Ultimate Love recap, David Presh saved Chris from shame. All thanks to David and Presh for saving Chris from imminent shame during the dance rehearsal in the house today. When it was time for couples to do their rehearsal as a pair, David and Presh were magnanimous enough to make Chris join them. Well done guys. If you haven't done that, Chris would have been either left out or forced to dance as their own couple. Dear Chris, so sorry for you. So Auntie did something very sweet yesterday. She introduced 3 new housemates to the house. Auntie just spiced up things up in the love part by adding 3 new Ultimate Love guests, 2 males and a female, Chrisville, Chidi Banks, and Meriton. Recall that last week, 4 new Ultimate Love housemates were added to the house, barely a week into the show. The show started off with 16 love guests on February 9th, saw the addition of 4 new Ultimate Love housemates just a week into the show. Now with 3 new love guests joining the house, there was a total of 26 love guests in the house, excluding Iyke, who voluntarily checked out of the show. Will all these 3 new love guests, Chrisville, Meriton, Chidi Banks, change the dynamics in the love part? Will this increase the odds of housemates finding love? Okay, let's just watch and see. So still on the Ultimate Love recap, finally Iyke proposes to Chris. Iyke just proposed to Chris on Ultimate Love and she said yes. Is this for real? Iyke told Chris how it would be like to have a life with her and then asked her to marry him. I know you're wondering where and when this happened. Let me tell you, it was during a drama rehearsal in preparation for the Asa Festival presentation tomorrow. Chris, that proposal is the prophecy coming to reality soon. Just hang in. Hey. Is Chris view for Chris an ultimate love? The next question to ask is if Chris view is for Chris an ultimate love. Their names are even appearing as a good match. Just yesterday, 3 new love guests, Meriton, Banks, and Chris view were added to the show. These additions have brought yet another twist to the show, and as it is, Chris view seems to be the only available guy in the love part. Jerry has tangled with Meriton, Banks has glued to Sylvia, while Chris view and Chris are the only persons without an attachment. Chris view has been seen severally around Chris, Presh, and Nkechi, knowing that the 2 other ladies have partners. Let's ask Chris view if he was there for Chris. Still on the Ultimate Love recap, David Wilson says he kissed Rosie to stop her from crying. This guy is mad, sha. David has again defended the reason he kissed Rosie before dumping her for Presh Tucker hours later. I was told she was crying at the dining table, and I went to talk to her. She was really crying, and that was when I lost guard and kissed her. Wait, because she was crying and you wanted her to stop, you think your kiss was appropriate when you know you do not love her, right? Can you just stop defending this? He also added that na the kiss na him I come overdo, but na from my heart. Really, the kiss was from your heart when you know that she herself had not had you in her heart, but your heart was able to kiss her. David, please, you need to answer the question your co-love guest asked you. Was it a goodbye kiss or I will miss you kiss? Just stop defending what you can't. You were taught just yesterday to always accept responsibility instead of explaining. Tired of that guy. Still on the Ultimate Love recap, Banks refuses to make Sylvia his second option. After Banks expressed his love to Sylvia, he has refused to make her his first and second option when he meets Auntie to present his option list. This obviously did not suit his newly found lover, who wanted more. Sylvia told him she wants him to make her his multiple choice. Make me your first and second choice, she said. Unfortunately, her request was not granted by Banks. I have promised to make you my first choice, but I will not make you my second choice. This did not make Sylvia happy, but Banks was not ready to change his mind. Who else is on this guy's mind? Don't do what Jerry did to her again, please. Within 24 hours, Banks and Sylvia negotiate love. Banks has professed his undying love to Sylvia in less than 24 hours that he got on the show. He told her he loves her even before he got to the love part. He told her that I love you before now, even if when I got here you were with another person, it would not have changed anything. Is this for real? If it is for real, then you are good to go. Banks even told her that they are good together. I think the equation is now balanced. Jerry is with Meriton, and now Sylvia is with Banks. Auntie, you've done really well this time. Rosie berates Northerners begging profession. Rosie has described some people of the northern part of Nigeria as people who love begging. Rosie, this table that you're shaking like this, According to her, the Northerners are so used to begging and might not be ending the attitude soon. Kaduna people love to be given fish, and when you give them fish, they will come back for more. She added that you will see a person with amputated arm or leg in the south, but a complete person will go begging in the north. Rosie did not end her talk there until she nailed it. That is the way they are wed. Rosie, we know you stay in the north, and when this show is over you go back home and meet them, no problem. Meriton in Jerry's bed. People, what's going on between Jerry and Meriton here? The speed at which this love is growing is alarming. This lady is not even 24 hours in the house yet. They are already on bed, so close and already touching each other. Jerry, did you have a chat with Sylvia before jumping off the boat? It is painful that a guy can find another lady immediately he leaves a lady, but it is not that easy for a lady. Ladies, we go through serious stuff in this life. What will happen to Sylvia now? The story continues. Still on the ultimate love recap, Jerry, Meriton already closed marking. Jerry is already in a close marking mood with the newly introduced lady love guest Meriton. The magical affiliation is a twist into the already existing matches in the house, especially between Jerry and Sylvia. They are more or less like a twin in the house. This has made it clearer that there was nothing deep between Jerry and Sylvia, considering the strain in their relationship. Man, Jerry, this is serious. You did not even allow air to blow the lady's arrival. Is this how love ignites? You were already packing her plate, cleaning her table and singing love songs for her. We can't wait. Was the lady brought for you? Auntie has really done well for you guys. So guys, that's the highlights on Ultimate Love. This is the Ultimate Love recap show of day 13 and 14. If you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Thank you. Until next time.